There are places on Earth where the road feels borrowed, where the mountains were here long before us, and will remain long after the engine falls silent. You don't ride here to conquer distance, you ride here to feel small, to move through the valleys carved by ice, to follow rivers born thousands of years ago. Today we're riding one of the most beautiful highways in the world, the Icefields Parkway. The Icefields Parkway stretches 232 kilometers, about 144 miles, between Lake Louise and Jasper, cutting through the heart of the Canadian Rockies. Completed in 1940 as a Depression-era public works project, this road carved access through terrain that was once nearly unreachable. Today it's ranked among the most scenic drives on the planet, but on two wheels, it becomes something else entirely. Just north of Lake Louise sits Bow Lake, fed by meltwater from Bow Glacier high above. That surreal turquoise color, it's glacial silt, rock flour, suspended in the water, scattering light in a way that almost doesn't look real. Overlooking the lake is Crowfoot Glacier. When it was named in the late 1800s, it had 3 distinct toes like a crow's foot. Today, only 2 remain. Many of the glaciers along the Icefields Parkway make up the Columbia Icefield, one of the largest non-polar ice masses in the world. The Athabasca Glacier is its most accessible tongue and one of the most studied glaciers in North America. Since the late 1800s, it has retreated more than a mile. Meltwater from this ice eventually flows to 3 different oceans, the Arctic, Atlantic, and Pacific. Just up the road is Stutfield Glacier, spilling down the flanks of Mount Kitchener. Named after Hugh Stutfield, a British mountaineer exploring this region in the late 1800s, long before highways, guardrails, or weather forecasts. Back then, reaching this valley required weeks of travel by horse and foot. Today, it's a roadside stop. But the scale hasn't changed, the silence hasn't changed, and the ice still moves inch by inch, reshaping the valley below.